Khulumbakhya joto takhukte bukhuksong tai lamsogo ani o channel faidi cheng tini nalen kaisa katal advertisement faijak omongkha Samsundar company jewelers ni hoite norok nugimano obongkha boni advertisement seijak je vacancy post ni bongkha accountant nadi norok o jaga nugimano recruit accountant for Samsundar Company Jeweler Private Limited tai oboni bagai with minimum 1 year experience nangnai haikeba computer literate haikeba should be conversant with tele takukte bukuksong norok computer rok rana rangnai tai tele bor jodi rengkhangkeba belaino chao tai norok jodi obonotoi interest tongkhangkeba norok jodi obonotoi eligible tongkhangkeba norok nongni resume boni office thangai submit khamano by 27th August 2021 bongni office ni address engkha 44 Central Road Kaman Chohmani Agartala norok jodi interest tongkhangkeba ashak lerita tongdi dakti na thangai nongni resume submit kharidi omoni bagai ashak no takhukte bukhuksong obongkha taikaisa advertisement norok nuguimano obongkha marketing ni bagai borok Agartala Udaipur Bilonia tai Dharmanagara borok nangai tongo direct marketing door to door ni bagai tai oboni bagai 35 years jora tongo tai obongkha chilaro ni bagai tai qualification nangnai madhyamik pass tai norok obonotoi interest tongkhangkeba noni biodata boni WhatsApp number horimano boni WhatsApp number engkha 8794704501 ang tasha shaikhnarana 8794704501 takhukte bukhuksong faidi kisha JRBT nitibo nalene ang khakhayo norok obonotoi already no information mani mangkana je JRBT ni answer ki norok naimano boni o website thangai boni website ni address engkha employment.tripura.gov.in thamani pore boni o page open nai o jagano norok nogimano what's new hunai tongo norok o jagano boni o answer ki je group C tai group D ni bagi je exam angmani abonotoi norok naimane tai o video ni description box obo ang o answer ki ririwano norok oro thangibo direct download khai nongni answer ki naimano faidi cheng kisha naineleno nogimano o jaga tongo provisional answer key for written examination conduct 22nd August 2021 je exam mani obongkha group C paper 2 tai obongkha paper 1 faidi cheng paper 1 otoi pula nailene obongkha nadi tentative answer key of group C written examination nogimano obongkha English tai nini job oriented question ni answer rok obongkha question booklet series A tai obongkha B tai obongkha C tai obongkha D norok nongni question ni answer norok o jaga naimane norok saimana je jara question number torjak tongo oboni logi 4 numbers option tongo A B C D oboni logono je correct answer obo o jaga rejak je number 1 question bagi hinke D option correct tai number 2 ni hinkai A optikara norok answer noni question tiklai noni a jaga ni je answer norok obono find out khaimane nogimano o jaga 17 numbers question tongo faidi cheng tabu kisha je paper 2 ni bagabo nainelena obongkha paper 2 question booklet series A obongkha nadi 100 marks total tongo obongkha second paper do norok jodi obono naina hangke or description box angri rono norok oro thang download khaina manai faidi cheng tabuk group D ni bagai ba answer ki kisa nailena obongkha question booklet series A tentative answer key of multitasking stuffs group D ni bagai nogimano o jaga total number tongo 85 questions tai o jaga obongkha boni answer noni question paper tiklai noni je answer norok jeremani abo chade chakha na chade chaya norok oro nai manai obongkha series B obongkha C te obongkha D norok jodi nainemu chongkhaba naimano tin bagai to ashakno belekno hambai ani logi ashak kring toma bagai khulumbai kya